Today I'm taking a porterhouse steak, freezing it, and then deep frying it twice to make the perfect steak. Will it work? Let's find out. Stick around. I know you're gonna love it. So let's get grilling. And we're gonna start out by putting our vegetable oil in this aluminum pan. I've got the Blackstone on high, and we want this maybe about close to halfway up. And we want our oil about anywhere from 350 to 375 Fahrenheit. All right, so I've got my charcoal grill set up here with lump charcoal in the basket on one half. And what we're trying to do is get a temperature roughly around 300 degrees so we can slow cook our steak. So we have our two porterhouse steaks. They're about 1.5 pounds each, maybe about 1.5 inches thick. We're gonna dry them. Good. We want the steaks as dry as possible. All right, so we want to score the steak about 1/4 inch deep in a cross hatch pattern, maybe about 1 inch apart. And we can want to do the sides too. And we want that seasoning to penetrate the meat. The seasoning that we're using, tablespoon of salt, got about 1/2 tablespoon of black pepper, a tablespoon of light brown sugar, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and a teaspoon of curry powder. Put it all over our steaks. Okay, just start rubbing that into those cuts. So after we've seasoned our steak, what we want to do next is to freeze it for 12 to 24 hours. All right, so we're ready to go. We've got the oil right around 360. All right, so I've just taken out our two porterhouse steaks. All right, so I just want to caution everyone out there to be very careful with this method with frozen meats in hot oil. I only used about maybe half of the oil. Try not to fill it up to the top, just to give it enough room to fry. And also I've got some long tongs and some gloves. Now just a couple of minutes. That smells really good too. Alright, so we're good. Take that out. Right back on our wire rack. Let's put on our next steak. Okay, now we're going to take this, and I see we've got our grill at right around 300. And we're going to check back with these in about 30 minutes. Okay, they're looking pretty nice. So after these 30 minutes, what we want to do is we're going to insert a probe right inside. We're going to wait for that steak to come up to about 115. All right, so a steak is right around 100 degrees right now, so I'm going to baste it with a little bit of butter. All right, for side, we're going to make some asparagus. Basically what I got here is a large clove of garlic. Avocado oil down. All right, so the steaks are up to 115. Bring everything together. A little salt, and some pepper, and we're about done. Butter onto that too. All right, so we're at about 120. Wow, nice color. Let the steaks rest for about 5 to 10 minutes before you cut into it. I know it's awfully tempting. Alright, so let's carve this guy up. I mean, the tenderness on it because of the deep fry, oh, outstanding. Got a lot of that seasoning that we did the night before.
Yeah, that's great.
Oh. Wow, incredible. That's it for today, everybody. Thanks for joining us. I appreciate it. Guess the results are in. You can make a frozen steak and then deep fry it. Just don't forget to deep fry it twice. If you're new to my channel and enjoy what you're seeing, please hit the like and subscribe button. And as always, watch for my upcoming videos. And don't forget to check out my website, grillingwithrubes.com, where you can get all my latest recipes. See you next time.